Right. Right. I'm building a doggy ramp for a three-legged dog. So you have to use your imagination a bit. That is the door. Alright, so the door is closed. Oh. Right, lost the picture then. Right, the door is closed, so when you open the door, it only opens, this is the rear passenger door, at an angle of about like that. It doesn't open all the way. So that's the problem we're having. So this is my doggy ramp. Okay. Alright John, making a doggy ramp for someone. Alright, so that's the template. It opens up like that. Oh. And then the bottom opens like that, but it goes in at an angle because the door to the rear of the car only opens so far. Right, so you've got two little hooks, they go on like that. Alright John, making a doggy for someone has to be bespoke, whatever that word means, because there isn't any on the market because it has to be made at an angle. So that's the doggy ramp, made in 3 parts. Doggy comes along, ding 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 ding, jumps in the car. Right. That's the car, all nice and straight. The rear door only opens, we can get it in there, that far. It doesn't open 90 degrees, it only opens to a maximum of 70 degrees. So due to the rear seat and everything, you have to make it at an angle like that. So the doggy just walks up here and straight in, and then you just lift it up. It's in 3 bits. The bottom bit goes in first, and then the top bit goes on top of there. The hooks hook it up so it's all nice and thin. And that's all it is. Let's put the door back on, it's fallen off. There isn't anything on the market. There's doggy steps out there, ramps, but none of them will fit the rear passenger door. So you have to make it, if you notice there, I've got a bit cut out. That's the wheel arch, and that's the foot bit there where you put your feet in. So doggy comes right in up, and you can just jump straight in. Put the door back up. Alright, I hope you all understand that. Just have to get the measurements right. This isn't to scale, by the way. So that's the door, that's the side of the door, that's the door. The door opens only to about 70 degrees. It doesn't open the full 90. That's the trouble with these modern cars. So if you notice on there, that's why that is cut at an angle. So when it fits on there, it fits on there at an angle, and the door keeps falling down. Right, so it fits in at an angle like that, if you can all make sense of that. Alright James, making a doggy ramp for someone because had a bit of an accident and the poor thing's only got 3 legs, so we have to make a ramp, special ramp for him to go jump in and out of the car. Alright, so I hope you all understood the video. Alright, and that's it really. Now I've got to make the proper plans to make the proper thing, get all the measurements sorted out. That's the basics sorted anyway. Alright, have a good time, and now the scary bit. I need two. I've got to go down the dentist and have one screwed in. Alright then, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.